Yep, those are all spare parts which Suzuki has given us, and look who's here! Mikey, the owner of Suzuki is here. And yeah, what's your name? Appu is here, and so he is getting us water. Oh my god. What all things we need to take and what all not, because it's
talk about you out of time to myself now. I can't tell them you the person that they ask about. Used to sit in silence, thinking with my eyes low. Call me over with a look, mix you up on my iPhone. Caught me in a higher zone. These nights be a shame if you stayed alone. And karma be a bitch.
This is the first day of this guy shooting something. What's up, Mikey? You. Yeah. Tomorrow is 15th of August, and tomorrow we are going to be launching from Delhi for the ride. Now what the ride is, I'll tell you guys soon.
Pain with someone new who isn't you. Let the feelings fade and numb the pain. Fuck around till you come through. Let the feelings fade.
अच्छा जगह ढूंढने गए रहे हो. Okay, welcome to GP's vlogs. This is 15th of August in 15th of August 2018, and oh, the bikes are lined up. 1, 2, 3, 4 bikes going on going to India Gate today for, and it's okay, going to India Gate today for, and that's Sonia and Mikey waiting in the car, going. Oops. Yeah, what's up, boys? Where are we going?
Family who cares and it's tattoo. Always finding myself feeling bashful. Confidence never did come natural. Staying true passive.
Now we are going west of Bappi.
I wonder how the grass is.
Let's get Bappi. Anyways, happy Independence Day, boys. What say, Sonia?
Do something good for this country.
और अब हम जा रहे हैं नाश्ता करने के लिए.
ये man.
Okay. We are at Amar Colony and we are here for breakfast. So let's have breakfast for the day. क्या चीज़?
What's up, niggas?
What do you want,
It's
man?
Independence Day, man. I'm really excited and happy about this country. Actually, what are you gonna do for this country, Pistonhearted?
You're asking the pistonhearted or you're asking the real
You're
piston?
asking the people. I'm asking the people actually. What are you guys gonna do for this Independence Day? Make sure that you do something good for this country. Don't litter. Spread love. Spread peace everywhere. Don't litter anywhere. Pick all the trash. Tell people to not throw trash, and just keep this country clean and green, man. And legalize marijuana. Yeah.
So I think whatever Mikey said is correct. I've been saying all these things in my vlogs for a very long time now. When you go to some new place which is green and there are a lot of mountains around and nice valley, don't throw bottles inside it. I've always been showing it in my vlogs. Ye dekho, ye dekho, ye dekho. Like, just stop it at the end. I mean, let's take one decision finally that we can do this.
तुम लोगों को मजा आएगा. तुम लोग घर पे आएगा, कोई कचरा फेंकेगा तो would you guys like it? नहीं ना, तो अपने घर को कैसे संभालते हो वैसे अपने देश को भी संभालो भाई. इधर भी कोई भी कचरा फेंका तो कचरा उठा के इसके जेब में डालो भाई. ये
हाँ, बस उसके ऊपर इंस्टा स्टोरी या व्हाट्सएप वीडियो ये सब मत बनाओ. Just do it for yourself. That is the day people will start doing it in a true sense.
Exactly.
Yeah, that's what. Just like that. Let's go and eat food.
Let the feelings fade and numb the pain with someone new who isn't you.
Independence का spelling DENC है.
क्या independence का spelling Mikey क्या?
INDEPENDENCE. Why is I'm a dropout?
Talk about you out of time to myself now. I can't tell them you the person that they ask about. Used to sit in silence, thinking with my eyes low. Call me over with a look, mix you up on my iPhone. Caught me in a higher zone. These nights be a shame if you stayed alone. And karma be a bitch, you just want a bone. I can't even go to bed when the weekend close. Guessing how this shit feels, you ain't even close. I just need my notes, you just need a boast. This the last time I'm sipping just to try to cope. Cause it don't fucking work. When I'm faded, shit I do just gon' make it worse.
Okay, yeah, we are at the India Gate for our flag off. Mikey, what's up?
Flag, you know.
Yeah, okay, so we have Sonia behind us and everyone is here. And we have Prakhar, right? Prakhar?
Yes, Prakhar.
Prakhar from Pistonhearted Squad, yeah. Superb. Nice meeting you, man. We'll go ahead together. Yeah.
I ain't got no pastime. Too much on the line to ever let the shit pass. I be steady chasing peaks till I flatline. Too much on my mind when it be stuck up on the past. It just cycles through the last time. Stick to routine and keep trying to act fine. Taking L's, oh well, I still get mine. Don't believe in all the hype over bad signs. I ain't going back down, just watch what we gon' do. Always wanting these people who don't want you. Only family who cares and it's tattooed. Always finding myself feeling bashful. The confidence never did come natural. Staying too passive, yeah. I wonder how the grass is, yeah. I've been losing traction, so I'ma just
Let the feelings fade and numb the pain. We're
Flag off because we wanted to flag off on 15. Now we are riding. I mean, this ride is going to start tomorrow morning. I'll be making a vlog on this. So basically, Sonia has made all this plan of going from India through Myanmar into Thailand, and I'm very happy that I'm part of it. I'm doing technicals, so I'll be the technician for whole ride if there is some problem. So these vlogs are going to be not more of riding, more of technicals about bike. So if you have any problems when you ride long distance, what all things we need to take care of, we'll do that in this vlogs. And stay tuned.
it's fade.